Hey guys, it's Annie, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is me setting up all of my weekly spreads for the month of November, just to give you guys some ideas and inspiration for your own bullet journal weekly spreads. And if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more art and bullet journal content. And let's get right on with the video. So for this first spread, it is the second week of November as I filmed the first spread in my November Plan With Me video, which it will be linked in the I and down below if you'd like to watch that as well. And I just wrote out November and like all of the information like week 2, and then I did a quote on the other side on the next page saying inspired by the fear of being average, which is so cute. And then I split my page into 7 like columns going across, but then the last one I went higher right at the top of the page and split that into 2 for each day of the weekend. And then I just kind of did the basic spread that I normally do. So most of these spreads are super similar with like the style and how I write the dates and the fonts and the colors and stuff. It's pretty consistent in that way, but then the layouts and how I lay out all of the different boxes and days of the week is very different. So I'm kind of going for a less doodle heavy approach to these spreads, and I really hope you like them. So for my second weekly spread, for week 3 of November, I am doing a Dutch door design. So I basically cut off on the second page, I cut off the top and the bottom, so I can write the like headers and stuff on the top and then do weekly events on the bottom. So then I have a lot of room for this week, which is pretty good. And I split each single page into 2, including the Dutch door, but then obviously there are not 8 days in the week. So the last one I did a cute little quote, which I really like. And you may have noticed for all of these spreads, I am doing most of the outlining and drawing out the boxes in a grey marker because I think that just looks really cute, and I did that for many of my spreads in October as well, and I just really like the look of it. It makes it more minimal and sleek in my opinion, and I just really like how it turns out. Also, for the spread, I forgot to mention that I did this cute little coffee cup with the latte art that I know lots of you guys have been loving as you've been commenting over my Instagram about that. And I just thought I'd put that in there again because it really does fit in with this month's theme. So be sure to leave me a comment down below if you like this one. So for this last spread for this video, I did a super simple spread, and I split my page going horizontally, going downwards. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. And I wrote the first letter of the day and the date in this small box on the outer edge of the spread. And then at the top, obviously, I wrote the date and whatever, like November and stuff. And then in the last box, because obviously there are only 7 days in the week, I did a quote as usual, which says, "Train your mind to see the good in every situation," which is so, I love it. And yeah, so let's get right on with the final flip through. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more art and bullet journal content from me. And bye guys!